Hi, my name is Craig Condon, and I am the lead developer working on Clove. In our previous tutorial, I showed you how to create custom column row views. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Postable. Now, a Postable is an item that is registered for when you are posting items to a particular service. So, for example, if I were to go into here, a Postable may be one that's static, or one that may be active, such as that. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to create both. We're going to make active postables and we're going to create static postables. So the first thing we're going to need to do is open up our Clove Hello plugin project, and then we're going to create a new directory called Postables. We're just going to make it very simple. We're going to go hello postable, and then we're going to extend Postable implements iPostable. Since a postable isn't technically an iPostable, we need to implement it. So we're going to have to provide another method, which is prepare attachment. Now, prepare attachment is actually called when a new file is added. So we're going to leave this blank for now, but we'll come back to it in a second. The next thing we're going to have to do is we need to override a method called init. And what this will do is it will call as soon as I click send. And then we're going to go sending name. And then just to simulate simulate it being done, we're gonna go this.complete. Simulate it being posted, we're gonna call this.complete. So once we have that, we need to provide constructor parameters, which is we need to provide the controller and the name. Now the controller is iPlugin controller, and the name is the name of the postable that we see in the to-parameter. So we're done with the hello postable. Now we need to go over to our Clove Hello plugin and say tell the core that we're actually providing a static postable. So we're going to go hello postable. We're going to give the controller, and we're going to say hello postable. Okay, so now that we had that done, let's give it a shot. Okay, so now when we go to our postables, we will see hello postable. Let's write a little message. We'll type in something that's pretty random. We'll just do that, and we'll click post, sending message to hello postable. So that's what we get. Now, I talked briefly about this method, prepare attachment. What will happen now is I'm going to create a little alert. We're going to go alert.show preparing name. Now, the reason why this is important is because services such as Twitter need to actually upload the file before it's actually submitted and handle it. So you may not need to use this. You may need to use this, but it's there so that you can handle it before clicking submit. So let's give this a shot. So we're going to go to our posts. We're going to go to hello postable, and we're going to put in we're going to add a file. So we're going to add this file here, right there, and we are and then it automatically prompted me with the message I provided inside the method. So there's our postables. So now if we want to add an active postable, the most appropriate place to add it is actually to place it in here. And one way we can do that is overriding a particular method. We can go override on rendered data, double click. We're going to do add our active postable. And then we're going to say this plugin controller, and then we're going to give it a name. And in fact, let's make something a little more clear. RCD row ID. So now once we have that, we can give this a go. Now we have an active postable that is generated only once I perform a particular action. So we're going to go to post, we're going to add a postable, and then we're going to add a column, hello column. Right. Now we will double click this, and then we get our active postable in here. We can add as many as we want. So now what happens is, when I type something in, we get that simulation. So, and that is how you create postables. In our next tutorial, I'm going to show you I don't know, I have it specified in an email provided for Tim. That's it, and thanks for watching.